If you are a software engineer or want to become one, then definitely this video is for you. Just give me 1 minute of your time, and in the end, I'm sure that you won't regret your decision. Can you imagine writing 100 lines of code and finding the solution for your problem can be this much easier? You heard it right. I found these powerful AIs that can help you in the software development process. Based on software development process, I have categorized these AIs in 5 categories. Number 1, we have code review and analysis tool. In this category, I have 3 powerful AIs that can help you solving coding errors, finding security vulnerabilities, and the performance issue that too when you're doing the actual development. And these AI are the CodeGuru, DeepCode, and the SonarQube. I have personally used the SonarQube, and trust me, this has saved my life. Second, we have test automation tools. These AI-powered tools like Applitools, Test.ai, and Testim uses the machine learning algorithm to automate the software testing, and it enables the faster and more accurate testing of the software application. And this can significantly reduce the time and cost associated with the testing. Moving on, we have natural language processing AIs that usually we call as NLPs. In this category, we have powerful AIs like CodeSearchNet and DeepCom. I have personally used these AIs to find the relevant code and improve the code quality. There are some tools like Blackbox.ai or Text2SQL.ai that are literally one generation ahead. You can use Blackbox.ai to generate the complex query, even to improve your code quality. On the other hand, you can use the Text2SQL.ai to generate the complex queries. We have few more categories like the chatbot AIs or predictive analysis categories that we are going to talk about in the upcoming videos. If you're still watching this video, I have one additional AI that is going to blast in future, ChatGpt. This is a chatbot AI that uses the natural processing language to process your request. And trust me, I've been using this in a while, and it is really giving me very accurate results. Even though I can interact with the AI and I can tell him to correct the solution or even find the better solution for it. If you know some tools that can be help in the software development, please drop that into a comment section. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel for more updates.